Elemental Microanalysis Ltd, based in Oakhampton, Devon, manufactures and supplies several thousand products for elemental analysing equipment. Their production management and stock control hinged around an Access 95 database, the developer of which was no longer with the company. Said Paul Stevens, Operations Director, "There was a lot of duplication of data between Access and Opera 2, our account system, as they didn't talk to each other. Stock was in Opera, but bills of material and job sheets and works orders were in Access. Booking in was performed on both systems. As a result, purchasing and production control was a full-time job, plus information was not readily available and was prone to errors. We had to do something as we had no clear upgrade path to a current version of Access to develop the in-house system further. We were limping along." In 2005, on recommendation from a sister company, Elemental arranged to attend a 123MRP.net training course, bypassing the usual method of attending an evaluation workshop. Paul shared the implementation workload with Ian Smith, Managing Director, along with other key staff. Paul added, "Although some information was transferable from Access and Opera, such as company details, parts and bill of materials information had to be transferred manually. However, the ability in 123MRP.net to copy structures of similar types saved us a great deal of time. We went live across all departments with the intention of running the systems in parallel for a month. However, it was quickly apparent that this was not necessary, so we abandoned our old system after just 2 weeks." 123MRP.net was also integrated with Opera 2 using the accounts interface provided by authorised Rent IT partner Applied Business Solutions, which provides a method to import sales and purchase invoice details, translating and validating data between the systems to ensure data integrity. Immediately after implementing, the company noticed a stark improvement. Stock control improved immensely, with a reduction in stock errors of around 10 to 15%. Ken Parnell, production controller, added, "Processing an order used to be a massive job. I'd get an allocation sheet, work out what was needed to be made, create job sheets, and then put the same data into our account system as a separate job. Now the sales department just raises a sales order and MRP generates everything automatically. Previously my whole job was this: I could spend a morning on one large sales order. People were also reliant on me manually checking stock levels, which was a real problem when I was on holiday. 75% of my job sheet related time has been saved, giving me more time to spend on purchasing to analyse trends and buy more strategically. I also send most documents by email now, rather than printing them out and faxing them, which again saves paper and time and provides a better tracking mechanism." The sales department also benefited from the new system, with the staff being able to immediately check if all components for a product were available using the trial kit facility. Paul commented, "Ian now often prepares quotes from home using VPN access, where previously he'd have needed to rely on office staff to locate information from the 2 previous systems to allow him to build the quote. Producing quotes in general is much quicker, especially for one-offs. Previously, we'd have no traceability for specials, so if an order were repeated, we'd had to manually trace the old paper trail to find manufacturing processes, components, etc. Now we can produce a quote for a special around 40% quicker. During busy periods, every production line is subject to bottlenecks. However, with 123MRP.net, there were fewer, and those that did occur were more quickly identified." Said Paul, "You can instantly see what is happening, so any problems come to the surface really quickly. We have become much leaner now, holding more of the right parts in stock, so stock outages are much rarer." Paul concluded, "I knew that 123MRP.net was going to save us time, but I underestimated the amount it actually saved. It's difficult to put into words what it's done, except to say it has literally taken the pressure off. The rental is a huge plus, as we didn't have to lay out a huge sum of money to implement 123MRP.net, and we don't have to pay to get it upgraded, as maintenance is included. If we had continued to develop our old system, it would have cost a lot of money, and even then we may not have got what we wanted. We aim to implement an e-commerce solution in the future, with customers being able to place and track orders online. 123mrp.net will be the basis for providing information to that system.